Okay, guys and gals, we are standing out here at the parking garage elevator here at the Embassy Suites, Hoover, Birmingham, Alabama. Let's call it. We're going up. Let's go up to 4. The door close button does not work in this elevator. Address, 2960 John Hawkins Parkway. Here we are at the top floor, which is level 4. We'll go down to 1. There's the Schindler logo. Let's go up one more ride. And let's get a cab view. There's 6 lights on the stainless steel ceiling. There's the address in the state of Alabama. And of course, the Schindler sign. Let's get a little view. There's 0 cars that are parked up here. But over there is just more River Chase Galleria. And it's a beautiful night. And there's the hotel. And there's a door right there that can get you in there. It's all you can see, but look at this, Look right over there, you get to see the logo. The light up right there. There's your floor map. So now, let's take it down to 1. And we're gonna end the tour of this parking elevator. If you guys like the video, smash that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe, and make sure to say thanks to my channel, Tennessee Elevators, here at the Parking Garage Elevator, Embassy Suites, Hoover, Birmingham. There's your fixtures, Schindler sign, 6 lights, and the indicator. And here we are down at 1. And that's it.